Welcome to the Chic Show. Today is part of the Just Our Imagination Challenge where we have to use 3 challenge items: spoons, clothespins, and yes, a mousetrap. I'm going to start with the spoons. These spoons are from Dollar Tree. They are plastic. I'm going to be using 3 of them, and I'm going to be using 3 kinds of tissue paper and some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I pre-cut my tissue paper so that it would fit around the spoon, and then I coated the handles of the spoons with dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I then rolled the tissue paper around the handle and coated it again with another coat of Mod Podge. The dishwasher safe Mod Podge does say you need to apply 3 coats and you need to wait 2 hours in between each coat. I continued the same way with the other 2 spoons and tissue paper. I think these would make a nice little spring gift along with a dish towel. For project number 2, I'm using the clothespins. I have this spare candle jar lid and I turned it over upside down, and I'm going to be gluing on the clothespins, one upright and then one down, and I'm going to alternate them back and forth all the way around. So I went all the way around. I did add some feet to the bottom, and these are small chess pieces that I got at a thrift store. I also painted another candle top black, and I added a wood knob to the top. Make the perfect little top for my lantern. And now for those mouse traps. Well, I'm not only going to use 1, I'm going to use 4. I started by removing all of the hardware. Now I'm left with 4 perfect little wood pieces to make a box. So I'm going to be placing 3 of them long ways, and then 1 of them I'm going to be cutting in half for the ends of the box. Now I'm going to be painting all 5 pieces with Waverly chalk paint and ink. Somehow I missed the part of me gluing the box together, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now I'm adding some black beads to the bottom for feet. I printed off the word seeds in a font that I liked, and I'm tracing that onto my box, and then I'll be using a white paint pen to color it in. This is one of Dollar Tree's white metallic markers in Crafter's Square. I'm going to sand around the edges with my finger sander. I also sanded around along the sides just to make it look a little more rustic. And this is the perfect little place to keep my seed packets. So tell me, would you ever believe that this was made of mouse traps? Be sure and check out Kathy, Jo, and Brenda's channels, along with our co-host, The Busy Housewife, and the playlist. They're all linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.